Dancing with Lines. In this series of Benthoods, I explore the relationship between Benthhood and the human body, life, violence, change, and environmental adaptability. By deconstructing the wood's essence in a violent act, I draw parallels to the destruction of the human body through war. This transformation reflects the displacement and complex identity of refugees, much like the wood's displacement into an unfamiliar space. The intricate compositions of the sculptures compel viewers to appreciate the varied and complex nature of human life. These works were donated to ID Weeks Library at the University of South Dakota.